I think branding is a buzzword that marketers throw around a lot to make things sound cooler than they are, when really branding is just a process of defining your target audience and their motivators, aligning those motivators with your why as an organization, defining your brand position, your position within the marketplace and how you stand out from the competition, defining your brand persona, how your brand walks, talks, acts, and then applying all of that to all of your marketing assets to make sure that they're cohesive and consistent across all marketing platforms and efforts. The benefit to brand positioning and branding in general for our clients is really helping you stand out from the competition and communicating that you're the clear choice for the customers and clients that you want to attract. Bottom line, it means more clients, more sales, more leads.